Hello again, this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, and that is a 14 by 14 inch canvas. This is some Anita's white metallic. I am thinking about working on the diagonal. Yes, I have to compose stuff no matter what I'm doing. I love this cobalt blue from Artist Loft, which is actually turquoise metallic. I wonder, I'll never know. Somebody should tell me. Somebody from Artist Loft should tell me what the deal is. So I'm just going to use a few of my favorite colors. Yeah, right. We'll see. This is the electric blue from Arteza. I may tip this before I do anything else just because I think it would be a lot of fun to do that. And this is the amethyst. This was the amethyst when it was flowing. I think I can get it to flow again. Yes. I'm going to also, boy, I'm bordering on too much paint. I'm going to have to sort of center on the, I'm going to have to hone in on the center. That is the Folk Art Color Shifting Purple. And we are going to finish up with the Hot Orchid. Cool. I like it. And I was going to use the Decor Americana 24 karat gold, but I kind of think I'll use the Decor Americana 24 karat gold and the same with some orange in it. This is different. It's getting late in the day, so the lighting is a little dodgy. But the camera's adjustment for exposure is excellent. So now I think I'm going to have to use more than one edge catcher, excuse me, swipe card. But I want to go right up the middle. And I've got my Amsterdam white with Aussie Floetrol and nothing else. Although it's not coming out really quickly, it is coming out. I don't know if you can see me doing this. I like to try and tip my card around so I get a fairly even layer. And then I flip it over, which is always a little tricky. And meant to be so. Boy, I'm thinking I'm going to have to blow into that. And I'm going to use my scrape dish to get the residuals of my paint off. I was trying to use a copious amount. I guess I succeeded rather well. So let's use a smaller card this time and see what happens. I would like whatever's clogging the tip to stop doing so. Someday my nails will come. I just never seem to get around to buying the skinny little nails I need to put in the top of my bottles. There, I got my clog out. But I like that. Oh, it makes me want to use black on the other side. Actually, you know what? I really want to use one of my rounded cards. But I think I cleaned up the area. Now they're gone. Alright, let's stick with square. I got way more paint than I need. I've got enough paint to put on another potential swipe card. Hopefully. All right. Here is not that sort of thing. I'm going to use the residuals from this other card. Take them off in my dish. I think I could tip this. It looks like it. I don't seem to want as much of a copious layer. As I've had. I like it when it drags and leaves a little something behind as far as negative space goes. I don't know if that was a good idea or not. With my other swipes, I really like to drag a card through. I want to grab a little more white, and I do mean a little more, just that much. I like those colors. I don't really want to get rid of all that hot orchid, so I left some behind. I kind of want to take all of this paint in my dish, put it right back into the painting. Grab my straw. I have to experiment. It's the only way I find out stuff that's cool. Even better if you don't drag the straw. But still, I'm pretty happy about all that. I want to put some black in there. It may or may not be a good idea. Is it? I was going to say it's the Amsterdam black, but I don't think it is. I think it is actually. Wrong end. I don't mind that it picks up a little bit of the black. I need the dull end of a skewer that's on the end of a tool. So that's pretty neat. I'm right now looking for one of my round tools. Yep, I like the layered look. Moving my paint around. That is pretty cool. I'm contemplating moving this down onto the edge because I can. The name of my first book on the Amazon link, right next to my second book, called Unlimited Possibilities, which I believe Fluid Art exhibits quite nicely. I love how I got that black streak through there. And it's actually the canvas, and it was primed, and it was fresh black paint, but it stayed. So that's pretty neat. Let's turn that the correct way so I can zoom in on it for you guys. That is pretty neat. Does not keep me from wanting to steal some more paint or add a little bit more. Hot orchid right there. Let it go right over the edge. Sometimes it's not a good idea to play with a sure thing. And this is kind of nice. And very kind of different. I don't know what makes it different. Maybe my compositions just aren't, because they're not tilted. I do use GAC 800 by Golden in all of my paint mixtures, which means that they don't crack when I leave my paint heavy. And I don't particularly care for doing the bloom effect with heavy house paint or spinning, even though they're great. They yield fantastic results, and I'm sure they're fabulous for a lot of people who are doing them, but it's just not my thing. Not to say that someday I wouldn't like to do that, play. So I've had a really, really good day with using the white cell activator, which is Amsterdam white combined with Australian Floetrol. And I'm really hoping that what's usually true for the American Floetrol with the added wood conditioner will be true again if I try it. And I'm going to have to do another experiment to find out. I've got a little bit of paint that I might want to put on my edges. And these tools, you can find these tools. I made these tools. And you can find these tools, the video for making these tools, by searching tools or asking me for a link. They're just a little piece of refuse acetate from any packaging, some waterproof duct tape, and some bamboo skewers, and that's about it. This is kind of bugging me here. So I'm going to put a few spirals right in the middle, because I can. Alright, I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. I'm going to zoom in. Ask you to give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos and watching them longer and when the notifications come out. I really appreciate all those things. Really, really nice colors. Thank you for being here. I post 7 days a week. More on weekends. I have a second channel, Paint Pouring Adventures by Priscilla Batzell. It's about to hit 1,000 subscribers. You could be one if you wanted to be. My link tree is the first blue link under the video, and it has Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, my Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group for students, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, totes and more for shopping, pixels.com and Find Art America, also in the link tree. I'm not sure if it has spring clothing on there, but if it does, it's all over print leggings and all over print t-shirts, and you can see that and link to by clicking on the clothing you see below the video. My email address is a great way to contact me if you have questions regarding taking a class with me at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. It's private, one-on-one, or purchasing an artwork, which requires the hashtag and the file number or the time and the date of the exhibition video. You can ask me anything you need to, anytime you want. My Amazon link is on the link tree. If you shop there, it's at no added cost to you. I have 2 books there because I can, and unlimited possibilities. And if you're interested in helping me stay and survive on YouTube, then donations are happily accepted through PayPal and Patreon. I prefer PayPal, and if you do so using the icons on the bottom right-hand corner of the YouTube channel banner on my channel, or the links on the link tree, you'll be automatically entered in the monthly drawing, and you can see the prizes available for whoever's name is drawn in that drawing, and it changes once a month, and it's right at the end and the beginning of the month that you'll see that happening. On the end screen video, the exhibition video on the end screen will show the prizes at the beginning of it. What else have I not told you? I have 2,100 videos, and they're organized by topic, genre, and by the 100. If you ever need a link to anything, please feel free to ask me. I have everything all organized and easily accessible. It's no effort on my part at all. I think that's just about it. Please don't forget the thumbs up. Thank you very much. And if you look on Pinterest, you'll see tomorrow's video. If you look on the community board, you might see tomorrow's video. If you look on Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group, you'll probably see tomorrow's video. And if you look on my Facebook page, Priscilla Batzell, my personal page, you'll probably see tomorrow's video. You may not see my video on the YouTube feed. It has not come up a couple times recently. I'm not retiring. Thank you, YouTube. I'm not retiring. I'm not going anywhere right now, at least. So, I'll see you guys anon. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with, pretty shiny colors. This might dry nice. I can't wait to see it dry. I'll see you guys tomorrow, maybe. Bye for now. Priscilla out.